If you're an owner of a small business that regrets taking a merchant cash advance, needs the payments to stop because it's draining your bank accounts, then there's something you need to know. Stopping the insanity can be yours in as little as 48 hours. Our company, First Choice Debt Solutions, will empower you. We'll stop the daily payments immediately, get rid of these loans for 20 to 35 cents on the dollar, and then work with you until you're approved for a traditional loan. We're going to do this in two ways. First, we'll train you on a time-tested method of getting rid of toxic debt like merchant cash advances fast. We'll give you the black book. This is the exact step-by-step process that includes emails, scripts, and templates. This process will also help you with debt with vendors, suppliers, and creditors like American Express. Then here's the best part. We are going to do the system for you. We're going to negotiate. We're going to write all the hardship letters, send all the emails, and do all the UCC filings. And then we'll settle these loans for a fraction of what you owe, and then you just got to make the final payment to the creditor. You'll see all the communication, get to approve everything, total transparency. And then we'll help you to rebuild your credit so you never have to rely on these type of loans ever again to grow your business. Look, no one's doing this. No one is putting you in total control. Not bankruptcy, definitely not traditional debt settlement. No escrow account needed. Did you hear me? No escrow account. None of these monthly payments that go on forever and feels like it never ends. Look, we're so confident that our system is the best that we'll work with you forever until you get rid of this toxic debt and get it replaced with something like an SBA loan or a line of credit. So who is this for? This system is for businesses that have more than $30,000 in debt, struggling to make those daily payments, but have a profitable business otherwise. Look, if that's not you, if your business could pay off this debt in full, maybe you just don't want to pay it, feel free to exit this page because we're definitely not going to be a good fit. Over the years, we've helped thousands of construction, trucking, and other small businesses get rid of these toxic debt with lenders like On Deck, Cabbage, National Funding, QuickBridge, PAR, Pearl, Forward Financial, PayPal, American Express, Mantis, Last Chance Funding, Credibly, Everest, Vadar, The Smarter Merchant. There's literally hundreds of these merchant cash advance lenders. You see, my own business failed 10 years ago. And despite owing several $1 million to banks and vendors, I never had to declare bankruptcy, didn't lose my home, and a creditor never froze my account. I'm not saying this to brag, just the opposite. That was a really tough time for my family and I. My goal for you is to protect what you have left, have time to focus on your business, get rid of these loans, and rebuild with peace of mind. At this point, if you're thinking, I know I need to do this, the fact that we're going to be there for you every step of the way, the fact that we've been through this ourselves, the fact that we've helped thousands of other businesses just like yours, then book a call. You'll talk to me or a member of my team. You have absolutely no risk to find out what we could do for you. If after talking and we don't think you'll get the results that you're looking for, we're going to tell you. See, with our guarantee, it doesn't make sense for us to be working together if we're wasting each other's time. Now, if you want to know why this works so well, keep watching the video. Because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to show you how we can get these payments stopped, get rid of these loans, and get you ready to rebuild your business with peace of mind. If I have to boil this down to one thing, it's this. Ready? The process is the product. Think of your business as a series of repeatable processes and procedures. Ray Kroc, the guy that turned a single burger joint into the worldwide monster that is McDonald's, he realized it wasn't his job to flip the perfect burger. It was to create the processes. It was to create a system where it didn't matter who was behind the grill. See, the perfect burger would be flipped every time. And this is what we did. See, we have a system that produces the same results every time, no matter who's behind the grill. No matter what industry you're in, the size of your business, how many employees you have, how much you owe, and who the lender is. If you follow this system step by step, you will stop those daily payments and you will get rid of those loans for 20 to 35 cents on the dollar. You will rebuild your business because you'll have the clarity and the peace of mind to work on your business, not in your business. So what also makes it special is not only the system, but the fact that we're doing it for you. Look at the process. Step 1 is to protect your assets like bank accounts and merchant processing. Creditors love that. Step 2 is stalling and buying yourself time so you can focus on your business, not in your business. Step 3 is knowing how and when to settle. Step 4 is what do you do next? Once you get rid of this debt, you're going to start rebuilding. See, it's straightforward, but there are nuances with every client. The black book that we give you has everything you're going to need to get this done. Technically, you could do this yourself, but this information that we give you is like a fire hose to the face. If I watch a couple of YouTube videos, could I actually go out and flip houses? There are some that are going to disagree with me. But when you're negotiating with creditors, especially these merchant cash advances, every mistake you make is going to cost you. So our highly trained negotiators are going to do the negotiating for you as you. We're going to teach you how to open your own settlement account. Nobody does this. You're in complete control of your money at all times. I can't tell you how many times I hear from clients that they hired these debt settlement companies and got scammed for tens of thousands of dollars. So we're giving you the exact playbook needed, and we're implementing it with you every step of the way. We get you the settlement, and then we work with you to rebuild your credit so you never have to rely on this toxic debt again. Oh, by the way, if a creditor files a lawsuit, we have a solution for that too. So if you want to stop those daily payments immediately, book a call. What could you do with those excessive payments that you're now making to those merchant cash advances? Having the time to work on their business and not in their business has allowed our clients to grow 25 to 100% a year. Book a call. There's no risk or any high pressure sales. If we don't think you could achieve the results that you're looking for, we'll tell you. If we don't think you're going to be a good fit, we'll tell you too. Ask yourself, do you have a profitable business without the debt? Do you need the time to focus on what matters to make your business as successful as you think you know you can? If you answered yes to either of those two questions, book a call today.